In the previous video, I gave you a function f of x equals x squared and then asked you to fill in this table. Well, here's the answer to the whole table. But what I'm trying to show you in this video is that here you're told that a function f of x equals this. Now, what will it mean to have a function? Well, when given this here, what does it mean to have this f of x and then you plus 3? So that's down here. Okay, what does this bit mean? Well, if you look at the graph of f of x, it will look something like this. Hang on, it will look something like this. It will be a quadratic here. So this is f of x here. Well, looking at this here, it will be a quadratic. So f of x will look like this. But when given, when you want to find out what f of x plus 3 means, you well, look at this here. You would look at f of x, and then whatever the answer is, then you would plus 3 to it. So looking at this here, f of x here, well, when x is 0, f of x is 0. But if you're trying to investigate what is f of x plus 3, then work out the old one and then add 3. Well, the old one, f of x, is 0, and then, well, here you're saying work out the old f of x and then add 3. Well, the old f of x is 0, and then you add 3, so it gets shifted up to 3. Okay, and then now look at when x is 1. Well, f of x, well, when x is 1, f of the old f of x would be 1. So the old f of x would be 1 here, but this one here, f of x plus 3, you would add 3 to it. You would take it to a 4. So in effect, you're adding 3. So you shift it up by 3 steps, and so on. So basically, looking at this here only, it would be well, you would get the old one, and then you would add 3. So here, whatever the old value was, then you would just add it to 3. So basically, it would be, well, even if it's here, it would get shifted up to here. Even if it's here, it gets shifted up by 3. So everything gets shifted up by 3, and then your new graph would look something like this. It would be exactly the same quadratic curve, but it just gets shifted up by 3. So what I'm trying to illustrate to you here is that when you're told a function equals this, so you sketch it, so it will look like this. It will be a quadratic like this. But now if you have f of x, let's say plus 5, then it's going to be the old one gets shifted up by 5. So everything gets shifted up by 5. So your new graph, you see this graph here will be f of x, okay, and this one here will be f of x plus f of x here, and then plus 5. It would be like this. Okay. If you get given this function here, so if you sketch it, it will look like this. Now this graph here is f of x. Now if you want to know what happens when you have f of x, let's say minus 7, then your old value here gets dragged down by 7 because you're taking away 7, and then this bit here was here, but then it gets dragged down by 7. So basically, well, this here gets dragged down, so your new graph will look, well, it will be exactly the same, but it gets shifted. It gets shifted down. Well, it gets dragged down or it gets pushed up. So when you have f of x here, and if you have f of x, let's say minus a, then in this case, well, you would try and picture this inside your head, and then if it's minus a, it gets dragged down, and then if it's plus a, and then it gets pushed up. So it'd be the same thing. So that's the kind of relationship between this and this. Okay. In the next video, I will explain the others. Okay.